Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Basic Classes. Last class we learned difference between accounting and bookkeeping. Today in this class we will learn what is double entry system. So let's get started. See, double entry system means every transaction has two effects. One is receiving a benefit, another is giving a benefit. So in double entry system, every transaction are recorded at least in two accounts. So one account is debit, another account is credit. Okay. So debit is always written on left side of account and credit is written on right side of account. Okay. So the account receiving a benefit is always debited and the account giving a benefit is always credited. Okay. And this system ensured that total debits are equal to total credit. Okay, and this double entry system provides a complete and clear picture of financial records. Okay, so that it has been adopted by many companies and banks all over the world. So let's see one example. Purchased goods in cash. Okay, so in this transaction two parties are there. One is purchaser, another is seller. So in the books of purchaser, this transaction has two effects. One is goods coming in and another is cash going out. Okay, in the books of seller also it has two effects. One is cash coming in, another is goods going out. Okay, so today in this class we learned what is double entry system. Next class we will meet with a new topic. So thank you for watching my video and please like, subscribe and share.